Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Honda CR-V, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it when all these driving instructors and bin wagons have gone past. It's a 2.2i DTEC X, 2014 on a 64 plate, one owner from new, fuel economy, urban 34.4 miles per gallon, extra urban 47.1 miles per gallon, and combined is 41.5 miles per gallon. A 0-60 time of 10.6 seconds, a top speed of 118 miles per hour out of a 148 brake horsepower 4-cylinder 16 valve engine. Road tax 6 months is £145 and 12 months is £265. So it's got the chrome Honda grille, xenon headlamps, high pressure headlamp wash, the front fog lamps, and you've got the parking sensors in the bumper there. Multi-spoke dark silver and diamond cut alloy wheels. It's sat on Michelin tyres all round at the moment, so long as they're all right, they'll stay on. Roof bar carrier system, the panoramic roof with the electric shade band inside, and this is fitted for roof bars, which there's 3 positions to go across there. Got the chrome strips round the windows. It's keyless lock and keyless entry. If you just press that little button, so long as you've got the key on you, it'll lock. And same when you come back to the car, just pull the door handle like so and it'll open again. It's got the rear privacy glass, the plastic sill protectors and wheel arch protectors there. We've got, let's see, that's the right button. There you go, power open, plenty of room in the back, nice flat loading surface, quite low down as well, so good for dogs and so on, easy access for them. Rear load cover, the split folding seats at the back there, power close, rear privacy glass in the back, rear wash wipe, and kind of an integrated subtle spoiler in the roof there. Lovely in the back here, carpet over mats, nice lighting area. It's got the panoramic roof, obviously the blinds open at the moment, and it's nice. It's lovely environment in the back. Rear privacy glass, usual things like Honda and all the Japanese manufacturers seem to think of. Plenty of little accessories, places to hang your coat here. We've got rear centre armrest with 2 cup holders and nice high seat backs, so no messing about with a lot of cars knocking the head restraint up so it's not digging in your back. It's a lovely car in the back here. Okay, I'll just take you for a ride in it. Keyless entry and keyless go. That's as long as you've got the key on you, just press the start button there. Let me just see the service book. I think this is one owner from new. So first service there, 7th of the 1st, 2016, 10,702 miles. 8th of the 12th, oh sorry, that was at, blimey. That was at somebody who's got such a small stamp I can't read it. Looks like JT Hubbard. 8th of the 12th, 2016, 19,820 again, JT Hubbard. Then 21st of the 12th, 2017 at 30,220, JT Hubbard, I'm thinking. 11th of the 12th, 2018 at 41,698, JT Hubbard. 4th of the 12th, 2019 at 52,965, JT Hubbard. So full Honda service history there. 57,816 miles it's done. Okay, we'll just go for a ride in it. Before we do, let me just find So that's height and reach adjustable. Let's just put it down a bit so you can see the instruments. And we've also got power folding door mirrors. If we turn the headlamps on, you have a little button here. Oh, just got to turn the headlamps right on, and there you go. That is a high pressure headlamp wash. There we go. So as I say, full pan roof here, really nice. Gives the car a much bigger feel than it actually, it feels much bigger than it actually is. Although the Honda CR-V is a fairly big car, great car, lots have been produced, very, very popular for Honda, and we do very, very well with them. They're a very reliable car, and this is the second one we've had in a week. The first one sold straight away. Just got round to videoing this one now. It's got the dashboard which I prefer, which isn't quite as space age as the other one, and kind of all flashing lights at the top. The little bong you heard then, that's just to tell me it's low windscreen fluid, so I need to top that up when we get back. We've got paddle shift on the steering wheel, a very, very busy steering wheel, to be fair. You can change the radio source from here, you can change your information display from here, that's moving that about, to clock, there you go, what's on the radio, and then how many miles per gallon you're doing, and so on. Click the menu there, you can select all sorts of different things, range and so on. Range has been selected, so it'll tell me that there. Hit down here, you've got phone, and then over here you've got the center bit there. If I click that, it changes the center, tells you the mileage. I couldn't see what that was, to be honest. Temperature and so on. Over here on the right hand side, you've got your cruise control. So that's on, set. Just try that on the motorway, get to 70. We've also got paddle shift here as well, which I like. Just give the automatic brain some help sometimes. Here we can knock that down to sport. You've got your heated seats here, which are very, very good. Power outlet in the front central armrest. There's an auxiliary in and also USB in. Sat nav, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. Let's just turn that on, turn it up. I think the sound needs adjusting on that. Sound a little bit tinny, and I know it's a very good sound system. Probably sounded even worse through the microphone here, because that's just set up for my voice, it's not set up for loud music. So we'll probably have clipped it at the top. I'm going to show you it's a good radio. Nice finish, black leather, sport seats, the driver's seat. Let's get going there. The driver's seat has 2-position electric memory, which the controls are just over here there. You've got your, let's just say there's your electric door mirrors. Let's make sure they both work when we get on this carriageway. The right one does, left one does. We'll switch cruise on, set it, just get to 70, drop in behind this chap. Plus is at the top, minus there. Just one more click should do 70. Yep, it shows you in the information display in the center of the speedo there. We're doing 70 at, just make sure we're in top there. Just over 2,000 revs. I click that in sport. You wouldn't feel it, but there is a surge. Makes the accelerator a little bit more sensitive. So even though it's in the accelerator's in the same place, you go faster. If that makes sense. I'll just drop in here too. Over here we've got the economy button. You do that, no doubt the stop-start system will come in if it's got one. And it takes all the enjoyment out of driving. You put your foot down, it hardly goes. Yeah, we'll get that off. Econ off. There you go. Picks up better without the economy. Nice drive, nice and quiet. Just show you. Oh, I need to shut it, don't I? That's better. It's already open. So that's the electric shade band. You'll probably be able to see the difference through the camera, what the interior looks like as opposed to when it's open. So it's got a nice light airy feel to it when it's open, which I prefer. Armrest just in the right place. Your climate is here. If I turn that down, let's see, map. Okay, so that's showing you where we are at the moment. I'll show you how to set the sat nav, how to delete a mobile, how to pair a mobile, and how to stream audio when we get back to the garage. What else has it got? It's got the diamond cut alloy wheels, which are in pretty good condition, I would say. Front and rear parking sensors. It's got a reverse camera too, which I'll try and remember to show you. And it's got power open close tailgate. Right, there's nothing behind me at the moment, so I'll just stick that in reverse. And there you go. There's the reversing camera. Put it back in drive before anybody comes behind me. I also noticed then the side mirror there flipped down, so you can see any curbs at the side of you and you don't reverse up them and damage your alloy. Oh my word. Picked the wrong lane much. That roundabout, honestly. I think there must be a 5G mask there or something that makes everybody act strangely. Like to go through there a little bit faster just to make sure there's no knocks on the suspension. Or sometimes if you've got the track rod end gone, you go around the bend there and you can just feel it click through the steering wheel. That felt all good on the wiggle test. Nice car. Good family car, especially if you just like to be a bit higher up than normal. And the suspension's a bit more forgiving as well. Aircon's icy cold. On the right hand side there you've got boot release, your parking sensor switch, your headlamp wash switch, and then other switches looks like probably an alarm off switch, and also ABS. So I'll finish the test drive here. Just remind you again, if video's been of any use to you, please like and subscribe. It does help. And watch our website, ggcars.co.uk. If this is sold, and we've got videos on from years ago and people are still commenting on them and watching them, so if you're looking at this at some time in the future when it's when it's sold, just look at our website, see if we've got anything that interests you, and you can email us, phone us, live chat us, you name it, and we'll do our best to help you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which gosh, what have we got? We've got a Range Rover Sport, a 10 plate, we've got a Mini Countryman, we've got a Toyota RAV, what else? That's all I can remember at the moment. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.